Okay, run. Okay guys, let's go and cross, because if you have not seen my previous episode, please go and check it out. And because I went inside and I got my ticket to KARS, and here we go. I'm getting into the railway station, and I think I have like around 1 hour to take the flight, the train. Oh, I'm so excited with the train, man. Seriously, I'm telling you. So this is the railway station. Very clean, very awesome. Cool, let's go inside the railway station. Hope they allow me to shoot, man. Let's see. So first I have to get a, what do you call, hash code. I already have my hash code. Yeah, here we. That's good. Hello. That's good. Merhaba. Ha. Nasılsın?
Sağ ol, teşekkürler. Sen?
Çok güzel. So guys, there is a railway ticket counter, so I just went there and bought the ticket, and that cost me around 68 lira. So if you count in Indian currency, that's around 680 rupees. In dollar, not much actually. Not even $10 actually. It's pretty less, maybe $8 or something. For 25.30 minutes, 25 hours, 30 minutes of journey. That's cool, right? Okay, this is like a sitting place, and they have one more ticket where you can sleep, which will cost around 93 lira. Okay, so you can calculate how much it costs in your currency. Damn man, this station is so empty and clean. I wish even in India stations are like this, you know, like empty and clean. Means like, who wants to travel? They just come. Nobody else come. But in India, everybody comes like, hey, let me drop. Oh man, cool. Anyhow, this is going to be awesome. Yeah, this is the actually main platform. So let's go. This is actually main station actually. So let's go and check it out. The ticket counters are actually in the front, and these are the platform, like a metro, you know, like the platform. This goes to Konya, Istanbul, but my train is somewhere that side. Wow, this is interesting. Wow, this looks like an airport, man. So good. This is revolving or rotation. This is everywhere. A lot of places actually I saw in Turkey. So this is the metro line, and that's the main train. I think that's my train. So let's go. And if you guys check it out, even this platform is here. So I don't have much time. So let's go. Let's go and enjoy this trip, man. This is going to be epic, man. Cool. Wow, I'm going to the border till Armenia, and after that Black Sea. That's going to be awesome. Yeah, that's a train, Doğu Ekspresi. Very popular train. I think there is like one coach, 1, 2. Total actually there are like only 4 coach, 4 or I think 5 coach. That's it. The total coach in this, and each coach will have around 103 people. You know, they can travel in each coach. Woo, cool. Yeah, so this is my coach. Let's enter and check it out. Seat number is 24. Wow. It opens automatic. 24. What is 24? You want to go? Go ahead. I don't know how to check the number. It's not showing up. Cool. Let me find it. Yeah, they are announcing now. This train is about to go within 5 minutes. Oh, this is going to be awesome. And the station is literally empty, man. This is the interesting part of it. It's clean, it's empty, beautiful. Ooh, that's going to be awesome. Ooh. So let me tell you the route, guys. Ankara, Kireris, Kayseri, Sivas, KARS. Yo, Let's go. So this is the internal part of this thing, and there are like 2 chairs like this, and it will slide like a bus, and even this single chair. And hello, how are you? Çok güzel.
Güzel.
Güzel. There we go, guys. The train is left for station. Sharp. On time. See? 5:55. Awesome. I think it looks like a pantry coach. Yes. So this is a pantry coach. Oh, this is interesting. This is much better than the other one. The big window. I can come and sleep also here. Hey guys, meet my friend from Japan. Ah, okay. Arigato gozaimasu.
Arigato. Watashi wa Serdar-san wa.
More.
Sivas ikimasu desu. Thank you.
More.
Soy un hombre muy honrado, que me gusta lo mejor. A mujeres no me falta, del dinero ni amor. Andando el caballo por la sierra yo no voy. Las despedidas y a la luna, las me dicen dónde voy. Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón.
Loud.
Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón. Me gusta tocar guitarra, me gusta cantar al sol. Mariachi me acompaña cuando canto mi canción. Me gusta tomar mis copas, aguardientes lo mejor. También el tequila blanco es del sabor.
Ay,
mi amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón. Ay, mi amor. Ay, mi morena de mi corazón.
Oh, tashakkur. Arigato gozaimasu. Wow, awesome. So the train is already left, and it's been like around 45 minutes. Wow, we are already outside the city of Ankara. It's going actually pretty slow actually, I feel like. Maybe in the night it may pick it up, but looks good. So this is the oil tanker, guys. So this is going to be pretty long oil tanker. Normally it's always like that. Not much, but you guys can see the train engine. It's still, it's there. Wow. Oh, this is a really comfortable train, I'm telling you guys. The only thing is, in this, you can only sit here. If you need a sleeping coach, it's out there. It's only one coach, so not much ticket available. You have to book advance, and it's a little bit expensive, around 25 lira expensive. Anyhow, I don't need. And it's a beautiful sun is about to set. It's not going to set fast because just now the time is around. I'll tell you, it's going to be 7 o'clock. Wow, this is awesome. The landscape is so beautiful, and they're building up some new roads or something. Wow. This is a mind-blowing place, man. The mountains and the valley and this green river. Ooh, what else you need in life, man? Ooh, check this color. Whoa. This train is worth, man, worth the journey. I'm telling you guys. If you come to Turkey, make sure you take this train. So normally people just take the train and you know, they just go